ito yung sinasabi ko, merong deposit refund. So after using your train ticket, insert mo lang dito. And ayan. You get a refund of 500 Korean won. Or Jessica, Sophie, you want? Oh, that looks good.
Iba ko yung flavor burger. Two flavors.
Day 4 here in South Korea. Today, pupunta raw kami ng Lotte World. It's a theme park. Sinesearch ko kanina kung paano ba ano tama pronunciation or pagbasa ng is it Lot or Lotte, basta it's the L-O-T-T-E. Walang na-provide sa akin si Google ng tamang pronunciation. But anyway, kalat yung Lotte na yan. Marami silang mga malls dito and department stores. But anyway, so yeah, -1 degrees Celsius. Malamig pa rin. So nag-breakfast na kami sa hotel bago umalis, kaya lang naamoy namin ito mabango. Kaya konting snack muna, tikim-tikim muna. Wow, harap. Ang kano to? 5,000 Wow, 5,000 for 10 pieces.
Baka makuha mo peanut Sa ibabaw ko makuha.
Sa red bean. Sa iranong
Peanut.
Yung lighter ang color. Ito, red bean to.
Yeah. Siguro.
Red bean nga. Mas masarap. Wow! That's a really tall tower. Ooh! Ang taas! Oh my God! Yan o. Sino yan? Parang bakis yan ah.
Oo ba, sabi ko ba?
Diba? Parang bakis. So, ayan. So, we actually purchased our tickets sa Klook online. So, it's already been paid. So, dito magkukuha na lang siguro ng pass. Thank you. Share ko lang sa inyo tong tip namin. So whenever we go travel, I'm always the one in charge with the documentation. So ako yung camera. I have my phone and I have another camera here. And then my daughter, my brother-in-law, they're the ones in charge of researching, in charge of the navigation. So kailangan merong delegation of task para mas efficient kayo as a group. Isang designated cameraman, isang designated planner, isang designated navigator. Well, actually hindi. Navigator, planner, 2-3 sila. Para may mga kanya-kanyang roles. Diba? And it's also good for your kids. Kapag kami kasama kayong mga bata, teach them early so they'll be smart. They will know how to navigate. They'll know how to use the maps. They will learn how to communicate with other people, how to interact, how to read, understand, and follow instructions. Diba? Kaya tayo nagta-travel eh. Those are the things that we learn outside of the classrooms. Diba? Lalo ka, abot?
Wala.
Natakot ka? Wala. Brewed coffee din yan. Ano yun sa'yo, mami? Yogurt? Oh. How about you, baby? What's your drink?
Nugget.
Huh?
Chicken nuggets. And slushy.
How about your drink?
Slushy.
Where? Ah, may slushy yan sa loob? Oh. Where? Galing ah. Yeah, it's cold.
Ayok.
Oh, nice. How about you? Ano yan? Longganisa? Vegan?
Sausage.
Vegan longganisa. Pang vegan. Not vegan na VE. Hi Lucas. How's your matcha? Good? You like it? Good. So pretty. Oh no. My God. Heater. Frozen River. Oh. Meron palang height limit dito. Kung hindi niya abutin yung minimum, he will not be allowed to get in. What's the limit of the height? What's the limit?
120.
120
with parents. 140 is can alone, and 120 to 140 with parents. Understand?
Oh, between 120 to 140 with parent.
Yes.
Below 120, not allowed.
Yes, yes.
Even if with parent.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Just get one.
It's a cream cheese bread.
I don't know, what do you call this? Cream cheese. Cream cheese something. Freshly baked. Okay.
Cream cheese.
Okay, wait lang, bigyan kita. Sophie, what do you want? Which one?
The corn. The corn.
Sige na, get one.
Instead of the cream cheese.
Ang sarap. May corn sa loob. Yung black.
Hindi ko alam ano to.
Let's see what's inside. Wow, sarap. Ayan, ano yan?
Ang tawag.
Baka red bean lang to. Masarap?
Okay lang.
Okay lang. Nandito kami sa 5th floor ng Lotte World Mall. Ang gaganda ng mga cafe. Marami dito mga, ang tawag nila, team cafe. Ang gaganda. Panoorin nyo, I'll give you a tour. So this one is ano to, Bachelor Sunset Avenue. Ganda oh. Oh. So nice. Grilled pork.
What's that? What's that? Think here.
Nice.
Chicken, yeah.
Thank you.
It's meal.
Lucas, come here.
This is now Lucas.
Kids menu for Lucas.
Come here, Lucas.
Okay, summary naman natin for day 4. Kung meron kayong kasamang bata, I would recommend pumunta kayo doon sa pinuntahan namin sa Lotte or Lot World. Para siya maliit na Disneyland or basta theme park siya. May mga rides. But take note, nabanggit ko na rin earlier sa video, yung mga bata na 120 cm and below, hindi allowed sumakay sa kahit na anong rides. Yung 120 cm to 140 cm pwede, pero may kasamang parent. 140 pataas, considered adult, ayun, pwede na sila sumakay on their own. Alright? And then by the way, yung entrance fee doon is 1,498. Sabihin mo na 1,500 pesos. Yung entrance fee na yon, meron na siyang a number of rides na libre. Kaya lang, unfortunately, kami hindi nakapag-rides kasi nga si Lucas wala pa siyang 120 cm. Okay? May ibang rides na mas exciting and doon sa bandang labas, may mga additional fees. Alright? And then nag-open sila ng 10 AM. So mga 9 kung saan man kayo nag-stay, mga 9 alis na kayo, 8 a.m. ready na kayo dapat, nagre-ready na kayo. So 8:30 to 9 pupunta na kayo. Now, since Christmas season, mahaba yung pila. Maganda mag-book kayo sa Klook. Sa Klook kami nakabili ng ticket, and malaki yung na-save naming pila pagdating doon. Alright? And then pwede ka na mag-spend doon kung let's say 10 a.m. nandun na kayo pagbukas. Pwede ka doon maghapon hanggang alas 5, I guess. Depende sa rides na gusto mong i-ride. Kasi pag mahaba nga ang pila, mauubos yung oras mo sa pila. But I think it's worth it na maghapon kayo doon. Tapos meron siyang Christmas parade. I will napanood yun naman siguro yung portions doon, and I will upload the entire show separately. So para doon sa mga gustong manood ng entire show nung Christmas parade nila. Now, ang maganda doon, after mo doon sa theme park nila, walking distance naman yung Lotte World Mall. Meron silang malaking mall. It's a fancy mall, medyo social, and ang nakakatuwa doon, ang dami doon ng mga pastries, yung mga bun, basta ang dami lang mga local food na halos natarantarin kaming bili ng bili at tikim ng tikim. Yun nga lang, unfortunately, again, wala silang mga English name, karamihan Korean. So tingnan nyo na lang yung mga napanood nyo dun sa, pinakita ko naman yung mga binili namin na tikim-tikim lang, masarap. So parang buhay Pilipinas yung day 4 namin. Punta ng theme park, tapos pumunta ng mall. Nagpagabi kami doon, no? Umalis yata kami magna 9 na. Nakarating kami sa hotel almost 10. Okay, so yeah, maganda yung itinerary namin for day 4. Pwede yung gayahin. I would recommend that. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.